Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you this very easy sweet. It's kunafa white chocolate. It's very nice and I hope you like it. So first of all, we're gonna melt some butter, and I have here the kunafa that I cut to small pieces. So then I'm gonna mix it into the butter, and I'm just gonna keep stirring until it's become golden. Just uh, just keep stirring it all the time until it's become gold. As you can see here, it has to be like this. So you just set it aside to cool down, and then I have a mold. This mold, I'm using this one, but you can use any mold you have. I have pistachio here that I cut to small pieces, and I have my kunafa. I have pistachio cream, and I have some melted white chocolate. I think I have here about 200 grams. So very easy steps. First I'm gonna put some pieces of the pistachio on the bottom of the mold, and then in a bowl I'm gonna mix the kunafa with the pistachio cream. So I didn't put an exact amount, so it depends how many you want to make, and the quantity. So I'm just gonna put a little bit, like 3 tablespoons of pistachio cream. I bought the pistachio cream from Arabic shop, so I think now they are available quite a lot. So I'm gonna add about 100 grams of the melted white chocolate, mix it more together. And that's it really. You're just gonna take with the spoon and put it on top of the pistachio. Very easy sweet. You can do it so quickly, and it tastes really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of them and cover them all. That's it, and put them in the freezer until they're completely like hard. So I'm just taking any excess bubbles or anything like that, put them in the freezer as I said, and then take them out when they are really hard, so it will be easy to take off. As you can see, you have the pistachio pieces stuck to it, and the last thing I'm gonna do is just spray some gold edible glitter on top, just a little bit. And there you have it, very easy sweet, and it tastes really nice, crunchy and really delicious. So that's it, that's the video for today. I hope you like it and try it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.